Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wealth Hackers. So in today's video I am going to show you how to set up Algo V2 robot on Mt4 terminal. So let's get start the video, but before starting this video make sure you have subscribed and hit the bell icon to never miss another new updates from my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's get started without any further delay. Don't skip any part of this video, make sure you follow each step very carefully. First extract the robot zip file in our desktop, then open your Mt4 account data folder, then go to MQL4, open experts folders, copy Algo V2 robot file and paste it into experts folder. Now copy Algo V2 set file and paste it into preset folder. Go back to our Mt4 terminal and refresh experts on navigator window. Now take GBP USD pair and drag the Algo V2 robot on chart. Allow DLL inputs and live trading. Go to inputs and load Algo V2 set files and OK. Robot is started taking trade immediately. Thanks for watching the video, and join our robot trading community if you want to start earning in Forex market.